Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy and delicious sticky rolls. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin baking. Okay, to my stand mixer, I'm going to be adding my 4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and nutmeg, or you can use cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. Going to give it a quick stir. And here we're going to add our 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend, and 1 cup of warm milk. Going to turn up the speed to medium and allow it to knead for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, our dough should have formed. So we're just going to reduce the speed and add our 5 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to turn up the speed back to medium and allow it to knead for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, our dough should have formed. It should be nice and smooth. So here we're just going to remove it from the mixer bowl. And it's going to feel sticky, but that's exactly what you want. Form a ball of dough and transfer it to a grease bowl. You just want to rub the top of the ball of dough with some butter. Cover it with plastic wrap and a kitchen towel. And now we're just going to place it in a warm spot and allow it to double in size. So that will take between 1.5 hours to 2 hours. While we wait for our dough to rise, we're going to make our caramel. To our pan over medium heat, add 1 stick of butter and a pinch of salt. We're just going to wait for the butter to melt. Once the butter melts, add 1.5 cups of brown sugar along with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix it in and allow the brown sugar to dissolve. Once the brown sugar dissolves, turn up the heat and add 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And just whisk it in there together. Okay, and just like that, we have our caramel. So we're just going to set it to the side until it's time for us to use it. Okay guys, so once our dough has doubled in size, now we can get ready for the fun part. So make sure that you grease your baking dish. Going to remove the plastic. Get the dough out of the bowl. Okay, we're just going to fold it in to remove all of the air. Okay, shape it back into a ball. Now I'm just going to divide it and get it into smaller balls. So just get your dough, fold it, and shape it. Okay, and just repeat until you no longer have any more dough. Okay, now to our grease baking dish, we're going to cover the bottom with our caramel and just add 1/2 of it. And I'm also going to be adding pecans. Okay, so once we have that, we can add our dough. And just make sure that you give them some room because they're also going to rise again. Okay, so once we have our dough in our baking dish, we're going to cover it again. Place it back in our warm spot and allow them to double in size. This should take about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so once our dough has doubled in size, going to drizzle the rest of the caramel. And here I'm also going to top it with some more pecans. And now we're going to take it to the oven and bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, while we wait, we're going to make our frosting. So to a bowl, add your 2 ounces of cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of butter. Just going to cream them together. Okay, to that we're going to add our powdered sugar, heavy cream, and vanilla. Just going to mix it all together. Going to transfer it to a Ziploc bag. Make sure that you get all of it. And just like that, it will be ready when our rolls are done. Okay, so after 25 minutes, our sticky buns are done. So now we're just going to grab our cream cheese. Make sure that you cut the bottom and get ready to spread it all over. And now we're just going to allow them to cool down and then we can get ready for the best part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. Just look at that. let me tell you that this right here are seriously super easy to make. They're so delicious. I promise you everyone's going to get to love and enjoy them. And of course, you know, if you don't want to add the pecans, you can always skip on them. But let me tell you, this right here is seriously the best. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The best. Super soft, fluffy, just simply delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious sticky rolls. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.